everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something super exciting to talk about. We will be diving into the world of Excel and learning how to separate text using some powerful Excel functions. This skill will come in handy for countless tasks. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will be a master at text separation in Excel. But first, why do we need to separate text in Excel? Well, imagine you have a long list of names, email address, or product codes all jumbled up in one cell. It's a mess, right? Separating them can make your data clean, organized, and ready for analysis. Alternatively, imagine you have data from different sources and you need to combine it into a single cell or create custom labels. That's where text manipulation comes in handy. Let's start with the left function. This powerful tool allows you to extract a specific number of characters from the left side of a cell. It's perfect for situations where you need the beginning of a text string. Watch as I separate the first two letters of state code from the vehicle registration plate in India equals to left open brackets text vehicle registration number, comma, number of characters would be 2. Let's fill in for the rest of the series. Next up, we have got the right function. This function does the opposite of left. It extracts characters from the right side of a cell. So, if you need the end of a text string, this is your go-to time. This time, I'll extract the unique 5-digit number from the same list. Equal to right open brackets text is the vehicle number, comma, the number of characters required is the last 5 digits. Let's complete the remaining. Let's fill the remaining series. Now, let's dive. And finally, the mid function. This one's a bit more versatile. It lets you extract a specific number of characters from anywhere within a text string. Super handy, especially for those tricky situations. I'll show you how to extract characters from the middle of a text string, that is the 2-digit district number, equals to mid text vehicle number starting from the third character, and number of characters is 2 because the district code is of 2 characters. So, comma 2. So, it will extract the third and the fourth character from the text string here. Let's complete the entire series. Now let's dive into functions that are fantastic for joining text. Concatenate lets you combine text from different cells. First, let me show you how to use concatenate. Will combines the state, district code, and the registration last 5 registration numbers. Okay. So equals to concatenate init. The first, I'm selecting the first concat. Text 1 will be my state, comma. Text 2 will be the district code, comma, and the registration. Text 3 will be the registration number. Close brackets, enter. Let's fill the entire series. If we don't want to use the concatenate function, so let's use the AND symbol. This time we'll join the same number plate information, but add a AND as a separator. So equals to state shift and your AND, and then we have the district code and again a separator, that is AND. We have the last registration number. Enter. Let's fill the series. Let's check the length of the characters, whether they are 9 characters or not. So for that we'll use a function equals to len, len. So it says it returns the number of characters in a text string. So now our text string is vehicle registration number, and enter. And let's complete it. So it's perfect. We have got everywhere the 9 characters. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, keep excelling, and remember, data is power. See you in the next video. Bye.